Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Funday Sunday watch face review. And many of you all love the customization watch face. Has to be one of the coldest watch faces, hands down. Now the name is in the description box. I know it's long, but it's there for those of you all who want to check out that video. Matter of fact, I just leave a link in the description box down below in this video. And if you haven't seen it, go check it out. With that being said, let's kick off this Funday Sunday watch face review. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another Funday Sunday watch face review. And today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at. This one here is by a developer named LLOOKE. And I'm thinking LLOOKE got down on the creativity of this watch face. So in the door, I'm going to give 2 thumbs up for creativity and design. Now the name of the watch face is called LLOOKE 11. Very nice look, very stylish, and always on mode. You're pretty much going to get the full look of the watch face. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. You'll still be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. Once the watch face is on, here's where you start to see the creativity of this watch face. Now, I gotta address what really adds a lot of character to this watch face, and that is the second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. It looks awesome. It adds a lot of character to the watch face. The only thing, I wish we can customize the color, but all in all, it's still an awesome look, right? Now, up at the top, you're gonna get info on your month, your day, your date. You come down, you get info on your heart rate, miles walked or ran. You come all the way down, you're going to get info on your steps and calories burned and your goal completed. And you're going to get a meter to let you know how much of your goal you have completed as well. Now, it has shortcuts going around the bezel of the watch. If you need to go into your music, you can go into your music. You can make a phone call. You can also set an alarm and or send messages, which makes this watch face super convenient. You get battery info. You get an AM, PM stamp. You pretty much get everything all in one watch face. This is definitely not a bad look. And don't forget, you get a nice digital time in the middle. Now, what else you can do with this watch face is if you double tap in the center, you can customize the watch face just a little bit, right? Depending on what you're wearing for that day, depending on what's your favorite color. Just continue to tap until you get to where you want to be so far as the theme is concerned and let it stay. I'm thinking the developer definitely did an awesome job on this watch face. Just hit me in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts on this watch face and or if you're going to download it. All right, you all. I hope you all have a super fun day Sunday. And with that, hit the like button if you like this video. And if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.